Okay, we'll say now we'll continue the class now again. Now you see, already you now know what is the interchangeability, isn't it? So what is the why the necessity of limits and fits? But when you see the limits and fits, first we will see the terminology. Okay, first we will see the terminology of the limits and fits. First one actually it is coming. So here you can see there is a line. Okay, there is a line, actually it is called as a zero line. Okay, it is zero line or line of zero deviation. Okay, zero line or else it is called as a zero deviation. Now 04 means actually 0. 25.00. Okay, it is a zero deviation. So that's why all the sizes, this is the terminology. You have to keep it exactly, you have to keep it in mind. First one is the basic size. So this is called actually, now you see this is the hole, this is the hole, and this is the shaft. Okay, this is the hole, this is the shaft. These, okay, that is the hatchet lines are there now. These are the deviations. Okay, these are the deviations. You can take the shaft up to here, or else you can take the shaft up to here. Okay, either it may be minimum lower deviation or else it may be upper deviation. Same hole also, here you can take up to here or else you can take up to here. Okay, this is the side view you can see here, side view also you can see here. So first always it is taken as a first one is the basic size. This is also you see from here to up to the zero line. Okay, up to the zero line. So this is called basic size. So all the deviations it will be given on the basic size. Now suppose I will tell 20 mm. 20 actually it is a basic size. So over that 20 plus 04 minus 02 whatever you give, that is all actually it is called as a deviation. Now you say as per that which is the, see all it is the taken with respect to the zero line. Okay, all it is taken to the with respect to zero line. So now you see from here, this is actually now suppose first we will see this one what hole. Okay, so first we will see hole. This is full I will write, I won't write. Okay, this is actually called minimum dia. Okay, this is called minimum dia. This is called, this is a hole. Okay, this is called maximum dia. Okay, this is the minimum diameter, this is the maximum diameter. Now deviation will be taken with respect to the zero line. Okay, that you have to keep it in mind. Deviation will be taken with respect to zero line. Now this is the from zero line to down. Okay, this is a zero line. So now its space is not much enough. See from here to this distance. Okay, this distance zero line and this distance. This all you keep it in mind. Exactly you keep it in mind. It is very important. This is called lower deviation. This is called lower deviation. Okay, the space is not there. Lower deviation. Now you see upper deviation. You see from here to here. See from here to here, not from here. From here to here. This is called upper deviation. Okay, this is the lower deviation. From here to here, this is the lower deviation. From here to here, this is the upper deviation. Now, difference between lower deviation and upper deviation, always it is called as a tolerance. Keep it in mind. Always it is called as a tolerance. So this is the now actually the mistake is become too close because this side also I have to write. Okay, here will I will come out, but anyhow, your textbook is there. Okay, Nimi. You can see in the Nimi 64. Nimi 64. Okay, in that it is there. So this is called, now this adding line is there, adding line. This one actually it is called as a tolerance. What is it? This is called tolerance. Difference between upper deviation and lower deviation, always it is called as a tolerance. Okay, one example, just for that one example, small example, if you want to show. Now we'll take 25. Okay. 25. What example for that? Small. Plus or minus 2.2. Okay. 25 plus or minus 0.2. So you can maintain dimension. Upper deviation, upper deviation this is the upper deviation. You can go up to the size of 25.2 mm. That is called upper deviation. Lower deviation means minus 2. Okay, so 25 means it becomes 24.8 mm. Got it? So 25.8 mm it is the upper deviation, 24.8 it is the lower deviation. So whole you can maintain 24.8 also, or else you can maintain 25.8 also. So now tolerance, how much it becomes? Tolerance 25.8, here it is a 0.8, isn't it? So your basic size is 25, isn't it? Your basic size is 25. So here it is in minus side 0.2, plus side 0.2. So actually it is a tolerance difference between the 25.2 minus 24.8. So it becomes 4. Okay. So tolerance actually is a 0.4. Okay. Tolerance is only 0.4. So that's why whatever we are giving in the job now for you, plus or minus 0.4, tolerance actually there is no sign. Without sign, actually in the drawing whatever we are giving, actually we are giving it is a deviation. But from the beginning, it is practiced, it is as a tolerance with the symbol. Okay, that's why I am giving plus or minus. It is a 0.4. Actually 0.4 on the means it is a deviation, not a tolerance. So if you deduct from the upper deviation and lower deviation, that is called tolerance. So it becomes 0.4. Okay, this becomes 0.4. This is a small example. Okay, some other example afterwards we will see. Okay, so remaining terminology we will see. Okay, now about belongs to shaft. Okay, belongs to shaft. This basic size I will write this side. Okay, this you know, zero line. Okay, this you know, zero line. Zero line or line of zero deviation. Okay, now this is the this one is the minimum diameter. Okay, this belongs to shaft, minimum diameter. this one maximum diameter. Now this is a shaft, it will become change, you see, for hole and shaft, difference is there, okay. Here it is given minimum diameter, okay, this is okay, same, correct, no problem, zero line is here, okay, minimum diameter, here maximum diameter, here also same, minimum diameter, this is the maximum diameter, okay. Then now this one is the, so this one is the from year to year, you see, from year to year, where basic zero line, got it? Zero line, up to zero line to the minimum diameter to zero line, actually it is called as a lower deviation. Okay. From here again, up from here to the basic line, sorry, zero line, okay, from here to zero line, it is called as a upper deviation. It is called as a upper deviation. So this is the upper deviation and this is the lower deviation. From year to year. Okay, from year to year lower deviation. From year to year it is a upper deviation. Keep it in mind. So now this is the which one hatching line is there, no? This hatched line is there, no? This is called actually tolerance. This is the difference between lower deviation and upper deviation, and it is always called as a tolerance. Okay. So this is the terminology of limits and fits. So this once if you understood exactly how it is, okay, once if you understood exactly how it is, so you can do any type of fits. It's important. You can put type, you can do clearance fit, you can do interference fit, you can do transition fit. So but this is the very important, for this calculation also is there, okay. For this you can do the maximum tolerance, maximum limit of size, minimum limit of size, minimum tolerance how much you are getting, sorry, minimum gap clearance, okay, minimum clearance how much it is possible, that is also you can calculate. Maximum clearance how much you will get, that also can be calculated. That one example will do, or else it is there in your book, okay. So straight away you see in the book, because in the Google I cannot explain much, okay, you cannot understand. So this is somewhat you see and see in your book, okay. So actual size, basic size over, no? Okay, basic size over. Actually there is an after that actual size. Actual size means after preparing the size with the deviation, okay, with the deviation. Now suppose it is 20 mm is there, 20 plus or minus 0.2. So you can prepare the size 20.2, 20.1. So which size you are prepared now, that is called actual size. 19.9, okay, 19.8. Whatever you are prepared, so that is called actually actual size. So that all it is accepted, okay. All the within this limit, whatever your size is seen now, it is all passed in inspection. It is passed in inspection and it is accepted, and you can then you can dump it to the this one shop, no problem. Otherwise you cannot. Otherwise it is scrap, okay. The factory, if you do the inspection, they will find some deviations are wrong, means it is just scrap. You have to throw it out. Okay. Next, now limit of sizes. Okay, limit of sizes. So one is the maximum limit of size. There is the greater of two limit sizes. Okay, that is the maximum limit of size. That calculation will do. Maximum limit of size. It is the difference between the two limit of sizes. Maximum two limit of sizes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು maximum size ಯಾವುದು. ಈಗ ಇದರದ್ದು ಈಗ whole better ಅದು example, we'll do the example, that time we'll come to know. Okay, maximum limit of size and minimum limit of size, that is the smaller of the two limit of sizes. Okay, two limit of sizes, one is the maximum limit of size and one is the minimum limit of size. ಇಲ್ಲ the maximum, ಅದು example, one example will do, that time you will come to know. It's okay. Now this is this all comes in the terminology of limits and fits. Now whole ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂತದ್ದು? So whole means you may think it is just one round, means it is a whole. It is not like that. As per Bureau of Indian Standard, all the internal details, either it is a whole, either it is a square, okay, either it is a triangle, either it is a hexagon, whatever shape, but it is internal. Okay, but it is internal, so all it is termed as a whole. Got it? Same thing, one more is the shaft. So between all this terminology is given for whole and shaft. Okay, whole and shaft. Shaft means all the external details. So external detail means it is not only a shaft and the round rod matra alla. Okay, it is not only round rod. It may be square bar, it may be hexagon bar. Okay, it may be hexagon bar, it may be rectangle bar, whatever it may be. But all the external features, it is called as a shaft. Next, deviation. Okay, it is the algebraic difference size corresponding to the deviation. It is the algebraic difference, deviation, it is the algebraic difference corresponding to the zero line. Okay, corresponding to the zero line. Corresponding to the basic, and the zero line namele basic size. Okay, it may be positive, it may be negative. Okay, it may be positive, plus irtade, minus irtade. Now upper deviation, the algebraic difference between the maximum limit of size and corresponding upper deviation andre the maximum limit of size. Okay, maximum limit of size corresponding to the basic size. Lower size andre the algebraic difference between minimum. Okay, minimum difference between the minimum size corresponding to the basic size. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, then tolerance I said, isn't it? The difference between the maximum limit of size and the minimum limit of size, ಅದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Difference between the maximum limit 25.2 and 24.9, maximum limit of size 24.2 and minimum limit of size 19.8, difference between that it comes 0.4, that is called tolerance. So it is always positive and it is expressed as a number. It is expressed 0.4, it is expressed as a number without sign. Okay, without sign. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಝೀರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗದು ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ನಾನು ಒರೆಸ್ತೇನೆ ಇನ್ನು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬರೀತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಒಂದು limits and fits will do tomorrow. Okay, one example table in that is there in your book. Now size of the component 25 point. Actually all it comes in micron. Okay, there is a one table. Okay, you can see in your book. Okay, in your book you can see the table. You can see the table exactly. So it is given all that. Now that fundamental deviation that I'll tell. Fundamental deviation and that I'll tell. But all it is in microns. 37, 47, 20, 30, like that. So for all you have to multiply by 001. Okay, 37 micron. 37, 32 like that. Okay, now here one example is they are given positive side 20. Okay, 20 positive side plus 0.008. Okay, 20 0.008 and minus side minus 0.005. Okay, here now upper deviation. Okay, here now the upper deviation. Full I won't write. Upper deviation is at 20.008. Okay, upper deviation 20.008 and lower deviation, only deviation. Okay, 0.00 lower deviation minus 0.005. It is the lower deviation. Okay, lower deviation minus 0.005. So maximum limit of size now. Okay, maximum limit of size is equal to 20.008 mm. Minimum limit of size is equal to 19.995 mm. Got it? So it is the maximum limit of size and it is the minimum limit of size 19.995 mm. So that is what is given in the chart. Okay, that you forget. Now you see, now important. Now we are going to prepare a different types of fits. Different types of fit over. That is called, first one it is called as a fundamental deviation. It is called as a fundamental deviation. You might have seen now, okay, 8 in the drawing and all, I think it is given. Reaming, it is telling for reaming 8, capital H, 7. Lines you have given, capital H, 7. So this H actually it is called as a fundamental deviation. Okay, there are 25, this is a very important, keep it in mind, there are 25 fundamental deviations are there. There are 25 fundamental deviations are there that starts A to A, B, C. You can, it is there in your book, okay, in my book page number 65 you see, 64, 65, okay. There are 25, which is very important, keep it in mind, 25 fundamental division as per Bureau of Indian Standard. So it starts with the alphabet. It is, and all the, one more thing you keep it in mind, all the alphabets, capital alphabet is for whole. Okay, and for sharp, if it is same sharp, it becomes H7 small. All the small letters belongs sharp. All the capital letters for O. Okay, this is the now fundamental division from 25 A, B, Q here up to Z is there. Excluding, in that excluding, all it is not there. So that's why you see in the page number 65, figure number 6, exactly you can make out. Okay, page number 65, figure 6. Figure 6 you see, you will come to know. A to Z it is there. Okay. Actually, our alphabet is 26, isn't it? Now you see 25 fundamental divisions. A to Z is there. In that, which all excluded? I, L, O, Q. Excluded. I, L, O, Q. Okay, Q. I, L, O, Q. Then W. And W. These are not there in this. I, L, O, Q and W, these alphabets are not there in this fundamental deviations. Okay, so you all add up and see. In the figure number 6, you all add up and see, you will come to know exactly. Okay, 25 fundamental deviations are there. Additional to that, somewhere it is added. Okay, somewhere it is added JS. So in this added JS, comma, okay, JS, then ZA, comma, ZB, comma, ZC, okay, ZA, ZB, ZC, these are, it is added, okay. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 it is added. Got it? If you remove 5 now from 25 means alphabets A to Z. Okay, A to Z, if you remove 5, it becomes 25. Isn't it? Now you see it is 4, it is added. ZS, ZA, sorry, JS, ZA, ZB, ZC. These are added. So these all it is called as a fundamental deviation. Okay, as per BIS said. So always capital letters for whole, and small letters for sharp. Okay, and in that one more is there now. One more it is called as a, but this time it is little bit 3 more added. Okay, that is not necessary. It is not coming in this, but you keep it in mind. Okay, for fine mechanism fit. Okay, fine, so very fine, very accurate fit. Still what they added now for fine mechanism, CD, EF, okay, CD, comma, EF, this you don't add it for that, EF and FG, okay. So these are added, actually 25. So now if you see add 3, it becomes 28. So you keep it in mind how they are asking the question you see in the question paper, okay, how they are asking the question you see in the question paper. You do not know. Actually, these 3 are for fine mechanism. CD, EF, and FG are added. So this is actually new this time. Okay. Now we'll see about this one. What fundamental deviation over. Now next we'll see the grade of tolerance. Okay. Next we'll see the grade of tolerance, or else it is called as a fundamental tolerance. That will write above. Okay. One more is the grade of tolerance. Or this or also it is called as a fundamental tolerance. These are there 18. So this exactly you keep it in mind. It is very important. This is 25 fundamental deviations and grade of tolerance are there 18. So adding both this, okay, adding both this in lakhs of types of fits you can maintain. Got it? ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದು ಫಿಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ some factories is a very very important, very very accurate, within 1 micron, not even 1 micron, 001, again one more zero is there. So much of accuracy they are doing. Okay, so that is all going to maintain. So if this is all it is given, both if it is added, you can do the lakhs of fits. Okay, so this 18 tolerance of grades of tolerances. So it will actually starts on IT01. Okay, it starts IT01, comma, IT0. Okay, IT01. These are very important. Keep it in mind. IT01, IT0. Then 1. IT01, IT0. Then IT1. Okay, then IT1. Then it will come IT16. Okay, here 16, 17, 18. Okay, IT01, IT0, IT1, IT16. So like that it is there. So next you can see in your page number 66. Okay, 66. and you can see where all it is used. Figure, you can see the figure number 7. Okay, figure number 7. You see in that. Okay, so that's why when you look at this video, you keep it in front of your textbook also. Okay, in front of your textbook also you see. So exactly you will come to know. Okay, figure number 7. So depending upon that, you can do the different types of fits. Now just I will tell actually IT 0 to IT 5. It is very accurate, so it will be used for gauges. IT 0 to IT 5, it will be used for gauges. Then IT 6 to IT 11, it will be used for two different fits. Okay, different fits. Clearance fit, either it is a interference fit, either it is a transmission fit, like that. Okay. Then IT 12 to IT 18. It is a coarse tolerance, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, like that. Okay, it is a coarse tolerance. For some other purpose it will be used. But both this is exactly given in my 18 and 25. 25 fundamental deviation and 18 grade of tolerance. So now one size if I will give, okay, one size if I will give now here, 25 S7, okay. Now 25 H7. In this 25 it is a basic size. Basic size. Okay. H, capital H, because it is a whole. Okay. Because it is a whole, so it is a H. It is a fundamental deviation. Deviation. Okay. X is a fundamental deviation and it is a 7. It is a grade of tolerance. Okay. Like this, 25 S7, 25 G6, 25 whatever it may be. Okay, G6. Then any kind of fit, okay, any kind of fit we can maintain. F7 is there, F7, G7, like that. So combined to this both for shaft and as well as wall also. In 25 S7 wall ಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಫಿಟ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 25 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ S7 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Here if it is, suppose if it is a 25 S7, if it is there, 25 S7, 25 H7 bar G6 shaft ಗೆ E tolerance. Got it? For whole you have to maintain 25 H7 this tolerance. This is the chart. That chart I said no. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. G ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾಫ್ಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. What type of fit is there, no, that definitely you are getting, okay, to the 100% you are getting. So we'll see the next now class of fits, okay, in tomorrow next class we'll see. So this today I'll send video. You study little, you study little bit to by referring the textbook today, okay. So we'll see tomorrow, okay, enough.